Hi, I'm Adrienne. I'm a special education teacher at Harney Middle School here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm new to Harney and actually new to Nevada. So this is my first year working as a teacher in Nevada. I taught special education in California for 13 years. And the school that I worked at for that long, had a 98% poverty rate. What they like to label 100% free and or reduced lunches. That's how they equate it. That's how they, I'm not sure if it's done this way in Nevada. I have to be honest, I'm not real familiar with many of the procedures when it comes to the demographics. I notice there's a lot of busing and school choice, and that seems really nice. I do see the struggles that families go through, whether it's in California or Nevada, when it comes to students who have special needs. And one thing that I wanted to say and share is that the article touched on a lot of percentages and statistics, which are important to know. But when you're a frontline worker, you see how those statistics play out. And I wanted to share that a lot of times in an IEP, when you get to meet the families, you find out that there's more challenges as far as disabilities go. So the cycle keeps going. It keeps spinning around. I'm going to look at the notes over here. So one of the questions in our prompt was what I feel about happy, angry, or puzzled about this. I'm frustrated because a lot of times as a teacher, I find myself chasing down equality for my students in the school, so that I can access materials and resources for my students. It's not just handed to us. It's not here, this will help your kids. It's up to me to find those resources and support them, which reminds me of what a parent would have to do in their family. Somebody's not coming to them and helping them. That family has to reach out and know where to reach out. And then if the parents are struggling with their own disabilities, they may not know how to access those resources. It is frustrating. So that's actually my connections. The school's impact by the laws and legislation. They just seem to be chasing, the laws and legislation are chasing the tails of the administration in the school. And then they're just hoping that it doesn't come out to bite them. So let's just say we could write a law and there could be laws to help families and students and support wrongdoings that could happen, that did happen. But on the other hand, just throwing out a law and then supporting it by you're going to be held responsible by funding, I'm not sure that's the best practice. I'm not sure that is a solution. I'm not sure what the solutions are. Good teachers, good professional development for the teachers. For the school as a whole, to understand that special needs may not just be in a resource class or a secluded class. There could be students in general ed classes that are struggling with different brain issues, mental issues, social emotional issues. I think I've gone over my time. So that's my start of a discussion. Hopefully we can carry on with this. Thanks. Bye-bye.